GM, everyone. Welcome to another beautiful show. GC Crypto back live every day. It's good to be back, Craig. And the market is pumping today. Lots of green across the board, which is fantastic. But how are you doing, mate? How are you doing today on this fine Thursday morning?
Hey, buddy. Hello, everyone. I'm good, thank you. GG. Yeah, dude, I'm good. It's raining. I was just talking on phone to Greeny. He said it was bucketing down there yesterday, and then he said it's not yours, and it wasn't too bad. And last night I woke up and it's pouring here, man. Grounds are like, there's like that much water on the grass. Yeah, but good time to be streaming. Good time to be locked indoors. Good time to look at charts. So, yeah, man. I just had a look at everything. Looks fucking pretty good. Excuse my French this time in the morning. Bitcoin's had a bit of a bounce. But more importantly, my abstract meme coins are bouncing, Greeny, which I quite was looking forward to waking up and seeing because I had a good XP day, but wasn't much point earning extra XP if you lose bloody $30,000 in trying to do so. So yeah, needed to see a bounce, wanted to see a bounce, was craving a bounce, and woke up and checked, and thankfully I got a bounce, and I'm down a whole 10% now on my port. So
nice, mate. I haven't even looked. Am I?
And that's from all-time high.
Shit. Wait, did we just get a huge bounce? Holy! Is God just on an absolute tear right now?
God's about what's it going for all-time.
Oh, God's
high.
at 8 God's hitting a new all-time high live on the show. Holy, bro! I bought more. Yeah, I bought a shit ton yesterday. Actually,
did you?
I bought like $5,000 yesterday.
Yeah, did you? Yeah, I didn't buy any yesterday. The chart, I mean, fuck it.
Let's go. Let's go.
How good's that breakout? What's up, Virginia? We are live. Yeah, even look, Retspa having a push, Guna having a tiny push, S&P floating. But no, enough about my bags. Actually, Greeny, how are you? Let's go back to the start before
I'm doing well. We'll talk about all of this stuff and so much more today, guys, obviously. But yeah, doing well, thanks. Great to see everyone in the chat, GM to everyone in the chat, and GM for tuning in. Don't forget, we are live every day, so make sure you go click follow on GC Crypto TV on Twitter. And that way you can stay up to date with all of our giveaways, with all our clips, with any content or alpha that we're dropping every single day. Literally come over here, guys. It's literally free to click follow on that page. So go click follow. Okay? I suppose it's over here, so I should do that. Go click follow. So yeah, it's weird doing that when my screen's over there. So it's weird. Anyways, yeah, go click follow, guys. We clicked over 1,000. Let's go. Really? Let's go.
Wow.
Hey,
that's pretty cool, bro. I had to look at it last night, and it was, I think, 975. Thank you, everyone, for your support, first and foremost. It's been nice to see that. I'm going to say this got to 1,000 about 10 times quicker than I did.
100%.
When I started, fuck, man, it took me so... I remember being stuck at, like, 300. Actually, I remember being stuck at, like, 20 people thinking, no one's ever going to listen to me, man. And they didn't for a long time, and then there was like 100. Then I remember I got to like 1,000, and a guy I was with in Web3 who's kind of come in and out since then. But he made a comment saying, "Dude, one day you're gonna have tens of thousands of followers," and I should try and find the DM. I think I wrote back,
"No."
Right, I was like, "No, what are you talking about?" And fast forward 4 years, and I stream daily with you. And anyway, yeah, it's weird. It's cool.
So good, bro. So good. And we have thousands of people tuning in. So thanks so much for supporting us. It's nice, man. Like we've been saying, we're coming up on the 2-year mark since we really started kicking off the whole GC crypto identity. And we only really went with the GC crypto in the past couple of months. So it's been a wild ride to get this account to 1,000, but 10K is next. Okay. So we'll get there really quick as well. But yeah, make sure you go click follow, guys. All the giveaways, all the clips, any exclusive deals like our partnership with OKX. We have another partnership dropping next week. So lots of alpha. You get it exclusively on this channel here on Twitter. But then you can watch us daily as well. So huge. We got 10 people on Kick. Let's go. If you're watching on Kick, hit the sub. We very much appreciate the sub as well, guys. We're live every day. And we might be exclusively dropping off Twitter in future weeks just to control a bit more of the viewership over on either YouTube or Abstract or Kick. So go click sub. Go click follow. We do appreciate your support over on Kick as well, guys. Before we dive in, guys, just a big reminder and a big special shout out to our partners over at OKX, one of the cleanest platforms and easiest platforms to use. Okay, literally super easy to onboard your AUD in my case in Australia. If you're in the US or anywhere else, you can obviously onboard your money really easy and offboard it really easy. They have an earn feature. So if you're looking into yielding, if you're looking to trade, you can jump on there. Plus, they have a range of different features on there, guys. So massive shout out to OKX for partnering with GC Crypto over the past couple of weeks and into the coming months. And if you sign up, guys, they will give you, in partnership with us, a 75% bonus once you sign up. Plus, there will be some other WCT tokens, which is the Wallet Connect, and we'll hopefully be getting you some pretty cool tokens in the coming weeks as well. So yeah, make sure you sign up and stay exclusively up to date with what we're dropping with OKX. We obviously have an IRL event here in Australia. If you are a local watcher, we'll be going live in about a couple of weeks' time in Brisbane, up in Queensland. If you are an Australian, would love to see a few of you there. Guys, I know a few people have registered already, so hopefully we can see some familiar faces and meet some new ones. So yeah, massive shout out to OKX. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, let us know in the comment section down below, or check us out in GTG. We'll help you out in there as well. All right, Craig, where do we want to start today, mate? Obviously, the big news is we're doing a giveaway. We'll start with that. The first thing just a reminder, guys, if you want to qualify for the giveaway, it's going to be throughout the show randomly. Okay. It's not going to be right at the start. It's not going to be right at the end. Okay. We're going to so you have to stay active. It's not just going to be come in here, think you're going to get free money, and then
just leave, Just leave.
I'm sick of people like you. So you're going to tune in. Okay. And make sure now we will be vouching. Okay. So even though you might win the giveaway on the show, and it's just going to be a super random generated wheel, okay? Wheel of Fortune, we're going to call it. Now, even if you win, you need to vouch that you follow us, GC Crypto. I'm going to ask you to send me a DM, okay? Because I'm not sending, or Craig's not going to send you the money until we see proof that you follow GC Crypto and that you obviously follow the God account as well, who's the cash that we are giving away today. Who are also approaching 6,000 followers, so GG's to them as well. So go click follow, guys. Here's the tweet. This will make it super easy for you. Here you go. Here we go.
Yeah, good idea. Show them that.
For a long time, guys. But yeah, viewership's up on Kick, bro. We're at 11, bro. Where are all these people on every other day? Hey, giveaway free.
Flying.
People jump in. Unbelievable. But yeah, go click follow, guys, on both those accounts. That way you can qualify, okay? And you must prove to us by the end of the show that you follow both the accounts, okay? Otherwise, you cannot win the cash, and we'll have to do it again tomorrow, okay? That's pretty standard sort of behavior. Hopefully, we can give it to someone who's been tuning in for a while. That's just the luck of the draw. Where do you want to start today, Craig? We've had a big bounce in the markets, which is great to see, but we're still a bit uneasy with Jackson Hole event tomorrow. Well, it'll be in about 2 days' time in America. So we are a bit cautious still. I'm still a bit cautious at the moment. We have bounced quite nicely. There's a lot of green across the markets. What we have noticed is Link is up 14%. Shared data $24 the other day, guys, at GTG. Check out GTG if you want some free alpha every single day. But yeah, where do you want to discuss first there, Craig?
Maybe start at the top. Let's maybe start at Bitcoin and work our way down.
Yeah, I mean,
well, total crypto market cap's pretty good too. But
I mean, that's as high as you can get. And to Tyler in the comments, bro, I trade everything. Solana's just dog shit with volume right now, so I don't know why you try and trade on Solana right now. I'll let you put up a post. Go click follow on Greeny Trades. Look at this post. Okay, people are leaving Solana. Okay, look at this. Memecoin traders are leaving Solana. Where are they heading? Okay, look at this. They're down, bro. Why would you trade on a chain where it's declining, where volume is going away?
Yeah, Solana was a year ago. ETH was 3 years ago to 2 years ago. The next one's actually up for grabs now, to be honest.
Yes.
It's very much up for grabs. I wouldn't be surprised if it swings back to Solana. It's not to say Solana's not the chain. It's just not the chain right now. And I dare say anyone who's deep in the trenches for the last, say, 6 months on Solana, 99.9% you got rinsed.
Yeah.
I don't think there's too many good stories coming out of the last 6 months out the trenches, bro.
Not really. None. I mean, even what's his name, Tolly, came out and like bagged all the meme coins on Solana. He bloody built the chain, so it's it still has the most volume. Yeah, sick. But how many people are walking away profitable? I guarantee you, less than 1%. Yeah, guarantee it. Guarantee.
No, I'm not good enough, Greeny, to be that 1%.
They're going to abstract, they're going to base, bro, and they're going to NFTs. They're doing other things. That's what I mean, Tyler. Like you want to make sure that you're learning to trade multiple markets, bro, not just one little niche, bro. Crypto is this amazing opportunity that you have. Be adaptive, be flexible, and become one with many different ways to make money in crypto. That's how we do it. That's how.
Well, Moonbirds, I won't deviate too much, but they're up 12%. So they've
literally
gone up
Craig, I called Moonbirds. Literally, this is what I mean. I called Moonbirds literally yesterday at 3.2 inside GTG. They're up $3,000 since I called it yesterday. Make money everywhere, baby. Make money everywhere. Anyway, starting back at the top. Sorry. Dude, my chat is so busy on Abstract. I apologize, guys.
Is that? Let's go, Abstract.
Trying to reach at the same time. 28 viewers on Abstract as well. We're heating up here because people know we're giving away free money. People know that. But when is it going to be? When's it going to be? Who knows? Total crypto market cap looking good here, Craig. Are you still cautious? Did you buy the dip? Talk to us a little bit about what happened over the past couple of days.
Yeah, so I got into BTC at 113,000 yesterday. What BTC at today? It was 114, 115, was it? Fuck, where the fuck's my
it's at 114 now. 114.
Yeah, 114. So I grabbed a bit at 113. I thought that was a little bit too cheap. Kind of at a critical point right now. I mean, what are your fibs saying about, is 115 for you a pretty critical level?
I mean, like, this is still range. So, like, we are range. I'm still holding my short. I can't wait to. Tyler just said he's going to school us, boys. Bro, I'm about to show you my P&L for Abstract, and you're going to be flabbergasted. Do you know what that word means? Probably not. Anyways, if we have a look here, we swept exactly off this high. Kind of again took out. We didn't quite take out the lows here, but I did get stopped on my long from 112 yesterday. But basically, this is the range that we're kind of holding at the moment. So I'm still in my short from wherever it is, 116. Can remove that. But basically, yeah, this is the range that we're in. So I basically, if Jerome comes out and he's like, oh, nah, with no rate cuts, we'll probably dump, in my opinion. If he comes out and he doesn't really say anything, we'll probably say the same. If he comes out, confirms rates will have a drop next month, then maybe we'll pump a little bit. I mean, it's probably priced in a little bit, I would say, from this bounce. But again, we'll wait and see what actually happens at the moment over there. What's your take? Well, I don't know. Like, I mean, you're not a macro guy, neither am I. But like, what do you think is going to happen in the coming days? What's your consensus?
What are the markets saying? What are like poly markets saying as far as rate cuts go?
Ooh, I actually don't know.
The market's typically, for the last 2 years, the market's been wrong on rate cuts. Everyone's expected rate cuts for the last 2 years. They didn't come. It was actually quite funny watching them not come when everyone was so certain they would.
Yeah.
But that's a different story. But what do I think at the moment? Look, I kind of do keep an eye on it a little bit, mainly because other people care. So I need to care. I mean, if people cared about, anything other, crows flying over and made the price go up, I'd have to care about it. So it's kind of like one of those things. But here we go. What does that say, Greeny? Explain this.
So September rate cut likely continues to drop down another 3.7% after the FOMC meeting or minutes were released. Basically, they wanted a 25 point rate cut, but it is slowly coming down. So it's still unconfirmed what's happening this morning. But yeah, pivot still is likely at this stage. So it is looking likely that we will get a cut, but by just one tier, 0.25. So this one is the chart to keep an eye on. FedWatch, you can go and look at that. But shout out to Easy for that as well.
When does this get announced? What day is it?
Well, he speaks tomorrow. He speaks tomorrow about this, and then that's pretty much like how does he come out? Like basically, how does he come out? Is how the markets will react to that. So
yeah, it's annoying.
It is. It is annoying.
Knowing that some guy coming out.
I know, bro.
Anywho.
Yeah. So Tyler, while you're over on Solana struggling, bro, this is what I'm doing on Abstract. So GG's, homie. GG's. See you later. Anyways, I'm just kidding, Tyler. Enjoy you tuning in, mate. Thanks for the support. But yeah, Craig. So based on this stage, it still is saying that we will have a rate cut in the coming month. So yeah, I mean, that is bullish for markets, but that does take time. I generally think this is going to be a long market. Like the longer we can consolidate now, the actually healthier I think that is longer term. I generally do. I really like that longer term.
Yeah, I do too. The longer sort of Bitcoin cooks around here, doesn't dip too badly. If it dips too badly, it's still okay. But if it sits here for a certain amount of time and just keeps holding, I'm pretty bullish for higher than I probably would have been eventually. So, yeah, I like it. I'm fine with this range. I'm patient. I'm being patient. I'm just going to buy the bottom of this range every time it taps 112, if I'm lucky, 111. If I get a whip down, probably won't. But, yeah, I'll just keep buying the bottom of this range until the market tells me I was wrong to do it if it does.
Mm-hmm.
If it goes lower, I'll buy lower, mainly because I don't think this is the top yet. This doesn't look like a top to me, doesn't feel like a top to me. The euphoria is not a top. There's just so many indicators saying it's not a top. But it could be, but just I guess on the side of probability, I'm on the side of this eventually goes high, and I don't mean in 3 years' time. I mean like next 6 months' time.
In the next 6 months, I agree. Tajir says that Polly does say that rate cuts are on the board, so that's interesting. So I mean, like I'm still short, guys. Short as well, but could be good if volatile. Well, I'm short from 116 before we actually broke this macro support. So I'm short from up here, right? So that's why I'm short. Like I'm not short from here, guys. Like I'm not silly like that. Okay, I'm short from earlier. Now unfortunately I was long from here and I got stopped out, which unfortunately is just the way that it is. So I actually don't mind not having a range of trades right now. I don't mind having my short is stop loss or break even, so I can't, and I've taken a little bit of profit yesterday at 112. So I can't lose. I can't lose in that situation as well.
Mm-hmm.
But Tyler, mate, send me some information. Happy to read about it and talk about it. I did buy some spot BTC yesterday, Craig, at 112. So I nailed that little buy. But I went heavier into Hyperliquid and into Link. Hyperliquid went all the way down to retest its sort of 0.5 range that it's been holding for a while here. And I think, look, $40. Like, I think this is going to be an easy trade. I don't quote me on this, guys, but I think this is it makes just a lot of sense when you look at what they're doing, how much volume, how much like the institutional wealth, let alone the retail wealth that is going on there. It makes a lot of sense to just hodl this at this point in time and just DCA. Same as Link. I bought Link yesterday at about $24. So it's up about $2.50 already from there. So I'm really happy about that. This breakout looks pretty good. Again, I did a deep dive with GTG yesterday. I put a little tweet up as well about some of the utility things. And Craig and I spoke about this earlier in the week as well. So I really like this chart. I want to see it break above resistance here. I want to see it take out these highs from December last year, and then we can definitely start to see it rally back towards the mid to high 30s, in my opinion, first. And then we'll see if it can go up here. But market's looking good. I mean, BTC dominance is still below 60%. So that shows us that people are preferencing altcoins. If we do look at ETH dominance, it's up about 4% today as well. So people are still preferencing Ethereum. Solana dominance also starting to see a bit of a rally as well. So Solana and ETH are certainly what people are accumulating on the timeline, basically, or even on chain compared to BTC. I saw Miles put out a post as well and said, look, he thinks ETH is a better trade compared to BTC at this point in time. I said, well, yeah, bro, look, you missed the bottom when we spoke about it down here when no one was speaking about it, and he's calling it here after a breakout. So, I mean, look, fair enough. I that's fine. You can call alpha here, but we like to call alpha before everybody else. So that's the secret sauce to GC crypto. But so I mean, like, did you buy ETH during the dip, Craig, or are you happy with your exposure right now?
The dip just recently, then,
the last couple of days.
No, I didn't. The dip wasn't big enough for me, and I don't really need ETH, Greeny. if I wanted a DCA into Moonbird, I suppose I would need it. But I've kind of got so much locked up in abstract and NFTs on ETH that I don't especially want to hold the chain itself. I prefer to hold assets on the chain now. So no, I don't. Did you? Did you buy some ETH? Did you?
Yeah, I did. Oh no, I didn't buy ETH. ETH. I bought Rect actually during the dip. I sold out of Rect and I bought back in, so I'm happy a little bit with that trade. I think it could go lower though, depending on what the market does. But I did share again. Like some of the trades I shared in GTG, I didn't even take myself because I'm happy for other people to win when there's better opportunities out there. So we'll talk about abstract in a minute. But shout out to the 23 viewers on Kick. Let's go. If you're new here, click follow on Kick, guys. If you want to support our content, we're live every day at this time. Okay, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're in America. Would appreciate if you sub to the channel. We very much appreciate it. So you will get live content every day. So go check us out on Kick GC Crypto. So new viewership record on GC Crypto on Kick, Craig. That's so good to see. We're at 30. I'm on 39 viewers on Abstract. You're on 8 viewers on Abstract. So we're getting to that 50 level as well, which is great to see.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
So basically outside that, DeFi is something to keep an eye on, guys. Obviously with the stablecoin news and with the ETH news, makes a lot of sense that DeFi is probably going to thrive. So something like Aave, something like Maker, these are showing weaker tokens. This is what I mean. Like DeFi can succeed, but unless there's really incentive to hold said token, why would you kind of hold it? And I actually put a tweet out yesterday, I think, about like if you're trading on Ethereum, if you're trading on Solana, you need to buy that token, right? Thus, that puts buy pressure on that token price. Thus, it'll go up. Unlike something like Maker, like I'm not going to buy and use Maker. So like some DeFi products, you just need to be careful, guys, because yeah, they will just show weakness, I suppose. Kato had a big announcement. I haven't seen what it is, but it's up 11% today. I mean, this chart looks horrible, not going to lie. It's up 11%, but it's also still down about 80% from the highs. So yeah, or 60%. Sorry, I was too harsh. But yeah, good to see that. But yeah, I mean, good to see green across the board. It was red yesterday when we were live. Memecoin's up 16% today. I bought a little bit down here. And I'll probably DCA if we do get a bit more time as well. Pengu, I'm greedy for lower still. So this is what I mean, guys. Like we are still bearish here. We're still lower highs, lower lows here. So the trend hasn't reversed, in my opinion, just yet. So until I do see an obvious sort of higher high here and then that next higher low, that's where I become very interested. Okay, that's the buying interest that I have for a lot of coins. That's where I go long. That's where I go, yep, plow as much money into everything as possible. The breakouts maybe going to come sooner rather than later. All right, how do you join the giveaway? Make sure you go click follow on our crypto page, GC Crypto on Twitter, and then make sure you go click follow on God as well. That's the token that we're giving away as well. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay, here it is. I'll share it again. Follow GC Crypto, which is our Twitter page here. Okay, watch the live show. Follow the God page as well. Okay, there. We want to we got them to 6,000. Let's go. Hey, that's us, Craig. We're moving. We're moving people on Twitter. Let's go.
Let's go, God. Let's go. Congrats.
So yeah, that's how you qualify. And then at some random point, guys, there'll be a keyword that you need to say in the chat. I might need to slow down the chat so I can put everyone in the wheel.
I know it's going crazy.
It's going to be crazy. Unfortunately, there's no real easy way to do this.
No, not that I know of.
So, I mean, and guys, the big news about God is that it's actually hitting a new all-time high right now. So, like, you're getting a token that is pumping. So, GG's, hey, GG's. But yeah, so Tyler sent me through the data. Okay, where'd you send it? You sent it in chat. Okay, we'll read it. I'll read about it after the stream. I got a few things today. I'll read about this afternoon. Tyler, appreciate it, mate. Appreciate it. But yeah, I mean, abstract memes are doing well. Big news overnight. Guna is the first official abstract meme coin on coin market cap in terms of having its own page. So if you do come up the top and you do search something like Abstar, you can click on this. It'll take you to a trading page, okay, which is pretty standard for a lot of different pairs on any specific chain. Guna has its official page, which is like what it is, okay. There you go. Where you can buy it. Okay. What the chart is, what the token supply is, the trust, the profile score 48. Come on, Eli. You got to work your bags, bro. What chain it's on. Okay. So abstract chain over here. And then it's also down below. So that's pretty big. Abstract memes going global. They're going global, mate. I know the coin Gecko founder bought some abstract meme coins as well. I'm pretty sure he bought mainly the top sort of 5 or 6 of them. So that's really good to see. But yeah, basically, I don't know, Craig, this is bullish for abstract, isn't it?
I think so. Yeah, I mean, those are just little pieces of the puzzle that we need to see happen. Founders of platforms and that slowly buy. I mean, obviously, it's marketing spin to a certain degree, but I don't care. That's what moves price. So yeah, no, I'm bullish. And the more we see little stories like that come out of, this founder of this platform's buying this, or, CoinGecko's buying this, or CoinMarketCap's now listing things, well, not listing, but being paid by these projects to list now. So the projects are taking it a bit more seriously, right? So it's just a slow maturing of a very early chain, and it's great to see, and it's everything that I wanted to see, and it's happening quite rapidly. So yeah, I'm super stoked. I'm in before these articles came out, and I hope they continue to come out.
We'll look through, Eli. We'll have a look through all of them in a minute's time. But yeah, this is pretty big news. I mean, it's ranked 4,460, so it's got a long way to go. But I love seeing that. But God, we're hitting an all-time high as we're about to give away $500 of God as well. So that's pretty epic. All right, let's go through. So Noon bounced a little bit, but it did dip below at 786. So even though it's up 23% in the past 24 hours, it's still below a key level for me. And same again, okay, it's still lower highs here and lower lows. So hasn't really changed its bearish shift just yet for me. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind that word, Craig, so maybe we could use that.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, if you can spell it correctly, you can go into the draw, maybe. Fuck, that was hard.
Yeah, maybe we could do that. Yeah, so it's like the combo or something.
Yeah. Newt. I'm not convinced.
Eli wants to buy. I don't know if he did, but he was talking about it. It's a good risk to reward here.
I don't know, man. I don't see it on the timeline, though.
Yeah, that's a query. That is a query.
Like, but does that matter? I don't know. Does it matter? I don't know. I'm just not that interested in that IP. I don't think either, man. Like, are you? Like, it's just, I mean, but you could say the same for Guna, but Guna, I just think differently. Like, Guna's like a retarded version of a penguin. What's Newt? Isn't it?
I don't know. It's like the ping. It's like, it reminds me of that show, Craig. Like,
yeah, exactly what it is. Yeah, Pingu or whatever, or Pingu, yeah. Where it just made that heart noise. But isn't that what I kind of feel like that's the Pudgy or Pingu coin, kind of.
Well, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like that's Pingu as well. So I struggle with the yeah, I know. I mean, Craig. I mean, Eli's right. I think a lot of people are mid curving this. I think that's a fair take to have.
Probably. I mean,
yeah, I agree. You could swing trade it. Like, this is how I love to swing trade. Like, it's a 77% move just to the 618. It's a 2.3x just back to the 0.5. It might be worth a little dabble. I don't know. Could be something to keep an eye on, in my opinion, moving forward. So again, it depends on what the market does. If the market shits the bed as well from the BTC, ETH, and Solana perspective, then it's probably not going to end too well for stuff like these low cap memes. So always pays to pay attention to the big dogs. But I might take a nibble, Craig. I'll take a nibble because I like a swing trade here. And I want to have a little bit more exposure into some of these. So I'll take a little nibble. I reckon maybe after the show we'll see, or maybe live. Let's like,
maybe if a whole bunch of whales exited, maybe it's not a bad time to accrue or accumulate, provided they're out and the bad vibes and feels are out. I mean, from my understanding, it was just a group that was heavily invested exited. It just can take a while for sentiment to change on something like this, as we saw with Big. Big was a bit more catalyst related, but look, this could build back up. And as you said, if it's a 3x to the 50, then fuck, that's actually not bad, bro.
Yeah, I mean, exactly. It's a 3x to the point. Yeah, to the 0.5. Like, that's a nuts trade, right? Like. Yeah. So we'll wait and see. Thanks for the 100, Newt. Eli, you legend. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
30.
Greeny's holding Newt.
Yeah, Greeny's holding Newt. It's so. You know what? I should shout out to DD King because he felt so bad. He came into he sent me a DM. He's like, bro, I hope you're not mad. I didn't mean for it to be like taken like so like literally. People use it against you with like some of these silly, stupid people in the space. And I was like, bro, I'm not mad. Maybe you should just tweet about it and say it was a joke and Greeny's a good guy. Whatever you want to say, I don't really care. And he's like, yeah, okay. So he might post again later today. So shout out to DD. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, if you're going to send me $1,000, I'm going to take profit, okay? It's just who I am. I have failed so much in the past. I've round tripped so much money in the past 2 cycles. So it's my goal this time to walk away with something in this space. So that's just my story. I've literally released a couple YouTube videos on it, so go and watch them. I mean, yeah, so Newt's, Newt could be something to keep an eye on here at these sort of levels as well. Abstar, Noodle in here, not really seeing a lot of volume and not much of a pump here either. So, again, we're still so early to abstract chain. Like, if we have a look, I'm pretty sure the volume, only at 9 million. Like, even if this gets like a portion, oh my God, it just took me to some random website. Even if this just gets like 0.1% of another chain or other chains, like you are so early to some of these meme coins going up tremendously. So yeah, Abstar, a lot of people still like, Greeny, why are you fading it? Well, I want more money. I don't think I'm going to get a 3x out of Abstar as quick as I'm going to get a 3x out of God or 3x out of Red Spell, 3x out of Cyclops, right? So again, I take on more risk by doing that, but in the same token, Abstar's definitely like, it's proven itself as the sort of number one on abstract, but Again, it's the mascot. So is it going to really run it back? Who knows? We'll wait and see. So something else could emerge. Who knows? But I do think there's trends to 50 to 100 million in time. It's just, I think I can make money quicker elsewhere, Craig. Is that the same consensus that you have?
Yeah, it is. It is. I sort of kept away from it as well because I understood that the sort of the group that was heavily in Newt was heavily in Abster as well. And I was like,
Correct.
fuck that. Like, I'm not.
Yeah.
And also to me, I don't know, like it's been to look, I was in Abster and then I got out and I'm just, I guess to answer your question, I just think there's other coins that have potential to run harder that probably have better IP. I don't know. I kind of feel like Pengu's the mascot of Pengu. Like, the actual official token.
Yeah.
There doesn't need to be an unofficial mascot, does there?
Yeah. Well, I mean, the team's supporting it and like the Twitter, it's all over Twitter. So they are kind of like supporting it. So it's like, okay, cool. Like,
I guess it's the chain mascot. Sorry, I take that back. Pengu's, sorry, I got that a bit wrong. Sorry. Yeah, look, I guess now that I just got that right in my head, maybe that's a great buy, guys. Get in. Nah, I don't know. I used to, bro. I used to load up on this and then I swapped.
Same. I had 10 grand of this at 9 million. So
yeah, I just like for this to run, 3x has got to go to 100 mil.
Yeah. Like exactly. Like a 3x for even like something like God, it's only 25 mil. Like, so it's like that's still below where Abster is. Like, I don't know. It's just again, it's a risk thing at the end of the day too. It's a risk thing. At the end of the day.
I think with these, I'm trying to not hold all of them.
Yes,
so I'm being quite careful. I don't think Abster's a bad hold. I just think out of say that I want to hold big or decent sized bags of say 3 to 5.
Yeah,
and just for me doesn't make the cut. Definitely not in the 3. Not in the 3. It doesn't. So
I think the other important thing to discuss with Abster is XP. If you're someone who's looking for more XP, you've got to go into the more degen stuff because otherwise you're I did a video on this too, but basically, and Craig and I and Eli, we've spoken about this for a while, but basically it's leaderboards within leaderboards. So if you're someone that holds $2,000 of Pengu or $2,000 of Abster, okay, that might be a lot of money for you, but that's not a lot of money as a holder of said token. Okay, there's people with millions or hundreds of thousands, right, of dollars, right? So, like thinking of it that way, it essentially means that you have less, percentage of XP for said token, and your money goes a lot less than where it could potentially go with other players. So that's the way to really think about it from a XP perspective too. If you're trying to earn more XP on Abstract Chain, which I think is going to be, I think Abstract is going to have 6-figure airdrops, like without a doubt. I genuinely think that. So you just got to lock in. I mean, everyone, like if you held a big pudgy for Pengu, you got like 80 grand. It was nuts. So I don't fade him. Is basically what I'm saying. So we'll keep ticking through some of the list. Don't forget, if you want to qualify for the giveaway, guys, go click follow on GC Crypto. Okay. Go click follow on God the Dog Abs. Okay. And then that way you can qualify for the giveaway. And it is coming soon. So make sure you click follow, and do appreciate everyone who's tuning in on Abstract and on Kick. Thank you for tuning in. All right, we'll move on to the next one. Cyclops. Have you found an entry on this yet, Craig, or not?
No, I haven't. I cycled out of it a little while ago, maybe a week or two ago. After I did about a 2.5x or something.
Oh, nice. So you took profit. Yeah, nice.
Yeah. And I think I put it in Dog Bro, to be honest. Sorry, God, which has gone on a tear as well. So it probably was much of a muchness to hold either of these, to be honest. I probably would have had the same amount of money. So great to see Cyclops do well. No, I don't have any. But I don't really mind not having any. Once again, just same old thesis for me. I don't want to hold 15 of these and have to watch, because I just find then it's just for me quite taxing watching 15 charts and making accurate decisions live, because I don't have a bot that I can set limits with.
Yeah.
So I fucking have to buy and sell this live. So I can't set and forget.
Yeah.
So I actually have to actively trade, which I don't mind. But I find I get to know charts a bit more personally. This is going to sound real weird. I get to know charts better if I focus on 5 than 15. I get to understand them a bit better, which sounds weird to people. But what I find is every chart's got a slightly different personality. So if I hyper focus on a coin, I'll get to know it quite well, which kind of gives me an edge on other traders who perhaps don't have that kind of market feel. Yeah, so, and I find 15 just spreads me too thin and I'll fuck up. But again, Cyclops, strong IP. The other thing with it is you've got Eli, who's a very prominent member of Abstract in the community, who's now part of the team. Not of Cyclops, I mean of, what's it bloody called? Gigaverse.
Yes, correct. It's a hard thing not to ignore here. So
he's not going to pipe down about it.
No.
So yeah, you're kind of betting on Dith, who's obviously created quite a great game. You've got Eli, that's almost your marketing guy, I suppose, in the way that he's loud, he's out there, he's active. You couldn't hire a more active guy in Abstract. Jesus, man, the guy doesn't even sleep. So
yeah, dude, apparently he's sick right now in bed. He's telling everyone.
Is he? So yeah, look, I probably should have held more money in this just because of those reasons I said. Sometimes that's actually all you need. Yeah. It's just a couple of psychopaths who won't stop chilling.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Like they're not going to really
go away.
Yeah, sell for a while either. So
no. So what's this at now? 2.5 mil. It's still
and it bounced from the support line that we discussed yesterday as well. So that's good to see. So yeah, like just staying patient. like as more liquidity, as more people come to Abstract, I think this is going to be. I think we're just still so early, man.
Yeah,
I think a lot. Yeah.
So you go, Greeny.
No, I just think a lot of people are going to make some serious cash before the airdrop. I genuinely really think that.
All it takes, say volume today is 9 mil. Imagine that just before Q4, during Q4, for everyone rushing to get XP. Imagine that triples. Imagine if it's a 30 mil. It's what some of these charts do. Like, not every one of these is going to get an equal distribution of share. Correct. That's why I'm trying to be in what I consider the top 3 to 5. So if and when the money pours in, I don't know if it will. Maybe it won't, Greeny. Maybe we just sit at 9 mil volume the whole way to, the claim. That's not normally what happens, though. That's not normally what happens. Normally people pour in last second in crypto.
Yeah.
So it doesn't take a lot to send it from 9 mil to 30 mil. And if that's the case, imagine what the bigger coins like God do. Sorry, what I mean is the stronger IP coins with the strong charts. People are probably going to pick the coins that look the strongest. Yeah. And perhaps they'll pick a few of the laggers as well.
Yeah.
Which is maybe where Newt becomes an option. But I don't know. If you were looking to enter, say you didn't have exposure, what would you buy? Would you buy bottomed out charts that had a higher chance of upside, or would you go with the stronger IP?
I think a combination, right? I like TA, and without good TA, I'm not really interested. So, for example, I bought God yesterday because this is how I bought it. I bought a little bit during the breakout, but basically, how I like to buy is two things. I obviously either like to buy a pullback like the new one before, where I like the risk to reward there, or I see strength. Okay, and this is clearly okay. So how price works is we consolidate for 80% of the time and we trend for 20% of the time. Okay. So trend up here, consolidate for 80%. Okay. Next trend is coming. So for me, I saw this trend here. I was very like, oh my gosh, this is holding up very well. Shallow fibs. Everyone's stepping in. These boys are working hard. A lot of people love this token, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, shit, man, like I'm going to buy more of this here. Like I have a lot of this. I have $50,000 US in this. And I bought more yesterday because I saw the strength here. And I think this is easily a $25 million meme coin, if not way higher. So yeah, for me, I was like, look, this could make me more money than the airdrop / this could make me the most money this cycle because I'm just early to a trend. And I think this is one that I'm glad that I'm happy to buy when there's consolidation. So that's the first sort of strategy. Or alternatively, like we just looked at with Newt, you can get a really good risk to reward, right? And the risk to reward is something like this, right? So pull out your chart over here on the right, okay? And I'm trading this back towards the golden pocket. Stop loss would probably be below these lows because, in theory, that is a higher low. So structure change a little bit so far. But again, I want to see a higher high come in here. And that next lower low is probably where I go, okay, I'm more bullish on this continuing up towards these levels. I want to see volume come in too, displace the previous volume. Okay, that's occurred over here. And then you have a higher trend that I want to see it break out, I guess, against as well. So that's kind of what I look at. This is traditionally how I've made a lot of money this cycle, is trading a lot of meme coins like this. Okay, waiting for them to retrace all the way down here, take the swing trade, because your risk to reward is just so good here. And I mean, even if you want to drop your stop loss below the 886 as more protection, okay, that still gives you a risk to reward of 2.3 to the 0.5, or even a 1.3 trade if you want to be even less risky. Okay, back to the 618. So yeah, fantastic opportunity like that on Abstract to just use trading tools, trading indicators, trading strategies. And Craig, we speak about this in GTG every day. So you can come check us out, guys, in GTG, where we've been printing on meme coin profits all cycle across Solana base, AVAX, Ethereum, Abstract, like Sui, we've done it all. We've done it all. So yeah. Moving on. Poly, not really interested personally. Not really interested personally, unless it comes down below sub 4.5 million. Again, I just feel like I want to be more risk on with new narratives, right? I want to be in memes that aren't kind of forced, right? So like, I respect Poly, I respect Abster personally, but they're just not like, Abster is the mascot of Abstract, and Poly is the wife of Pengu. I just like, I want to be in stuff like God or Guna or SMP or other things like Cyclops, which are different, like not associated to Pengu, because otherwise I think it's too tied to that, in my opinion. So again, that's just my opinion, guys. That's just my opinion. But at the end of the day, everyone's welcome to their own opinion. But yeah, that's just at least my thoughts, Greg. What's your thoughts?
Yeah, I look, it was the same as you, Poly. I never got excited from it from the start. What, Pengu's wife?
Yeah,
I find that so boring, dude.
Yeah.
And it's nothing against wives. I just mean, I just find that so weak, dude. For instance, how do I show that?
Yeah, exactly.
What do I say? Pengu's loyal wife who stood by his side forever. She's loyal, and you should be loyal to the title. I can't have fun with it.
Mm-hmm.
Like I, for me personally, meme coins, I like ones that I have loads of different ways I can shill it. So what I mean by that is, say, Guna. Guna, I find, is one of those coins that kind of gives you artistic freedom to act like I'm trying to think of a politically correct word here for. I can't think of one. Be careful. You can act silly. You can act silly with it. So you can put Guna IP into doing silly things. Where Polly being the wife, how do I?
If you look at exactly, like you look at the meme coins that have done well, it's like, it's new things, right? It's Pepe, it's Mog, it's a culture coin, it's Brett on base. Okay, it's things like that, right? It's Whiff. Okay, it's like new trends that emerge over time. Okay, more recently, you've had a range of different things on Bonk that have gone viral. Useless, for example. Okay, it's not things that are tied to an already existing IP. It's just, again, my opinion, further down the risk curve. That's just how it is. So I like, Guna chart looks good here. Bounce from the 382. They got listed on CoinMarketCap, as we discussed earlier. We'll backtrack to SMP. Again, a stronger meme. Okay, something a bit different than what we've seen. Again, hasn't broken out of this trend just yet, but set higher lows here, okay, and higher highs. So in theory, this is a structure change here in price, okay? You got higher highs now, okay, and you've got higher lows. So in theory, you will want to see this break higher from here. And you want to see volume break that. You want to see volume support that. So again, same, you want to see volume come in and displace the previous volume here as the breakout comes in here. And that means that it should, in theory, at least get to its previous high, if not go higher and set a new all-time high. So S&P, kind of different. These guys are working every day. The videos they put out are pretty dope. So shout out to those guys on that team as well. But again, something that's a bit different. Okay, it does have the Penguin IP in it, but they're just doing a bit of different sort of stuff about it. I really like it. Red Spot, very strong meme on the timeline. Essentially, it's just Abster spelled backwards. So again, I find that funny. Like, I think that's funnier compared to Abster, right? And these guys are so busy on Twitter. So again, I really like this as a better play, as a bit more of a sort of opportunity that I do think you can come in. Oh, I don't want to follow this on this account. Oopsies. Basically, come and have a look, like, through their content. They get really good engagement consistently on their content. So that's another thing that I really like. But yeah, I mean, like, this is like,
that's good, right?
Like, this is good, right? Like, I don't know. It's just
evil. I like it.
Yeah, I
And
know.
the dark side of, because you got to admit, like Pudgy Penguins and Pingu and that, right? Super cute.
Yes. Yeah.
But cute's not for everyone.
Yes.
And you need the other side of the coin. And the other side of cute, I guess, other than ugly, is evil. And evil's funny for me. Like cute's cute and evil can be funny. And I love the fact his eyebrows, bro.
Yeah, the eyebrows are iconic, bro. The eyebrows
reminds me of Jim's dad from American Pie.
Yeah.
But just stuff like that, like,
yeah.
And this is a meme. This for me is this is a perfect example of what I was trying to explain. Look at the different ways they can use it.
Yes. Like just random shit, like, but covering everything. Like you've got green grass, and you've got some. Yeah, this is when Logan and see, this is what I mean. Like it's good content, right? This is when they went and won that award, Logan and Finn. Like I love that, right? And then they've got it as like, volcano. Like what the hell? Like this is just. It's really good effort put into a meme. So, I mean, like what they're talking in bloody whatever language that is too, even if that is a language. Is that Mandarin? Japanese? Is it? It's a Mandarin. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
But like, yeah, it's just good content. And that's what you want to see from a meme. Okay. So I like this chart. It's consolidating a lot. I do hold this, and I do think it could be a good winner in the long term as well. You got to stay patient with some of these trades as well. We looked at Gruner, Gugo, massive shout out to DD King, who slammed me on the timeline. Nah, but he sent me a DM, guys. Yes, he did apologize. He said, bro, I didn't mean to absolutely like hate on you. I thought people would think it was a joke, but people tried to use it. Oh, classic drama in abstract. Greeny's dumping a token. Bro, if you send me $1,000, I'm probably going to take profit. So thank you very much. I do appreciate it. But shout out to DD King for sending me a DM and apologizing, and said he might run back another post saying that it was all a joke and Greeny's a good guy or something. I don't know. He said he might do that, so we'll wait and see. But yeah, I mean, same as it, like,
another couple of $100 saying.
That's what he should do. I should do. Dude, that would be so good. He should send me some more, and then
he should send me some more money. I think
that would be hilarious, and then I should just dump it again. That would actually be funny. That would actually
be good for the law.
It would be good for the law. It would be good for the law. This is a good way to get one whale's hands off into Greeny as the middleman, and then out into new buyers. That could be becoming the law. I could be the middleman.
Yeah.
But no, I mean, like, cool meme. I don't know. I just don't vibe with it. I don't really understand it. But GG's
that's the only problem with me is I don't know what Gugo is.
It's also not verified. And the reason I sold the money that he sent me is because it broke the support. Like I would do that in any trade. I literally owned thousands of dollars of Rect, and I did the same thing. And it's one of the most famous brand coins. So I would it's just a strategy that I've used all cycles. So again, if this maybe. Yeah, if this gets verified, that's the first thing, and it comes down to maybe 5 milli or something like that, I might be interested. The
IP, sorry to cut you off, Greeny, the IP of Gugo, maybe it's because I'm 40 years old and I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about on TikTok and shit. What's Gugo? Where's it become popular from? Why?
Born in a pool, forged by lost sustainment. I don't know, bro. It's just a duck. Yeah. But see, like, I mean, again, not being harsh, but like, look at the difference between Retzpa's effort and these guys, right? It's a very similar theme for all of these, whereas Retzpa's gone way to town with a lot more. So, I mean, shout out to these guys. These guys are pumping their bags and doing a lot of work. As I said, I want to see it verified first so that the team supports it, and maybe give me a better R&R, and I will buy back in.
Do you know what the verification process is?
No, I don't. No.
I just
this one though, look.
That's fucked, actually. That's so good for July, bro. That's such a sexy chart. Oh my god, that's good.
Yeah,
those are the ones you dream of, man.
Sorry to interrupt, but Anton makes a really good point here about Gugo. They're just all ChatGPT images.
I thought you can tell, right?
Yes,
that's why it's got that same feeling.
Correct. Yes.
Whereas Retzpa, I feel that to me looks like an actual artist, like someone's
putting in serious effort consistently. Yeah.
And just a lot more creative. But I don't want to I hate comparing coins like that. It feels a bit rough, but unfortunately that's probably what we're here to do.
It is what it is. Yeah.
But also put it this way, I actually just really love the art of Retzpa. So it's probably I'm biased, right? Also, I've got quite large bags of Retzpa, guys, and I have no Gugo, so maybe
but we just explained many reasons for that, right?
Correct. It's not just Yeah.
But yeah,
I do like the team being active.
This chart's wild, man. Like, look,
Eli
it is what it is. It is what it
right.
is. Congrats, Eli. Congrats to other people who bought the dip and whatnot and doubled down. But yeah, it's good to see. I mean, the whole like CTO, if you want to call it that, right? Takeover, very bullish from them. So yeah, GG's. I really like it as well.
The problem with this one for me, Greeny, is I don't know what you were like on taking this trade. I just wasn't willing to take a trade based upon and I didn't know it was going to get CTO'd.
Yeah.
I mean, I know Eli didn't as well, but I'm just saying when this was at the bottom, I'm trying to justify my uselessness on this trade, I suppose. But
yeah,
what for you? Why weren't you buying this at the bottom?
I thought the Ponzi was over. Like, old mate didn't post about it for months, so I was like, but the signs are there. Like, I know Finn spoke about it. I know Luca actually spoke about it. So obviously they knew behind the scenes that someone else wanted to swoop in and take it over.
Yeah, if you had known that,
if you kind of read between the lines, you might have been able to pick that up. And then I even said to Eli on stream, I said way back here, I said this looks like a bottom. So I mean, I'm pretty sure it was here when we spoke about it on stream. I said that looks like a bottom. But again, for me, I was like, look, I'd rather just trade and hold the memes. It was also that for me. I was like, you're getting good XP now by holding the memes. Cool. Bitcoin's doing well. I love that for the ecosystem abstract. I think it's actually a cool thing.
It's great that a Ponzi's doing well. Because you want to see Ponzi's like this do well because it creates excitement and hype with people printing money. It's what I wish on-chain heroes had done.
Yes. Yeah.
Is exactly what's happening here because there's nothing better. There's absolutely nothing better than a Ponzi printing and making people money. I know it's just for a moment in time, and I know that in Ponzi's eventually they fall over and crash and people get burned. But the exciting part's the meaty bit in the middle where everybody makes money, bro. Yeah, like fuck me dead.
Do you still own your heroes?
Yes, I do.
This could be a bottom again. But again, this isn't a liquidity issue. These guys only have 80K of liquidity, and there is some stacked whales. How
is there only 80K, bro? I don't understand.
Yeah, I don't know. They need to sort that out personally, in my opinion. I've spoken about it before.
Rips my sack, dude. Just quietly. Like, this has just got so much potential.
Yeah.
Surely there's something. Surely something they can do with this flywheel to get this coin fucking moving. But then, I mean, look, Scully and all these guys, they're smart. They know the math.
Yeah.
Maybe they know there's something coming that I don't. Help me, Scully. Help me, man. Like,
yeah. You're welcome, board. You're welcome, mate. You guys have done a great job with Bitcoin, so keep on going. And Eli says,
board one of the guys who took it over.
Yeah, in a partnership. Yeah.
Damn that.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, so that's what I mean. Like genuine people. I'm pretty sure EGR and
if I knew he was going after it.
Who's the other guy? Luke? Is it Luke? I can't remember, guys. I do apologize, but there's another guy who.
Yeah, it's a very prominent abstract people.
Well done. Eli says merge mining makes it a launch pad, which I kind of do agree. And he does say it is no longer a Ponzi. So, I mean, I kind of agree with that to an extent. So, yeah. Craig's terminology, rip my sack, dude. Lol.
Yeah, rip my sack. Craig, if you can, just ask Greeny about nuts. Apparently, Lucas said he would wear the merch at Token 49, but he ended up not being able to go.
Wait, but Token soon. Yeah, I wish I could go to Token, but I'm overseas, so I won't be able to go. All right, let's quickly go through some of these others. Then we'll do the giveaway, guys. There'll be for the code for the giveaway. You'll just have to comment it. So hopefully I'll be able to get everyone. But I want you to send it once. So you just have to comment a specific code. I'll put it up on the screen soon. And then I'll have to type in all of your names to a wheel of names to do the giveaway. So again, be patient with me. Okay, this is a manual process, unfortunately, because we've got a lot of interest. But hey, people on Kick have walked away. There's only 11 people on Kick. So GG's, hey, you guys are smart. You guys are here for the alpha and the education, and then you're here for the money. I love that.
I was thinking as well in future draws, Greeny, we should actually give like people on Kick and that maybe 2 entries and stuff like that. So you actually give bonus ratios to people that are commenting on other platforms.
Correct. Yeah. If you're on like something on Abstract or on
Kick, you get 3 times the entries or something. I thought that'd be cool moving forward.
We want to do more. Like we actually have a giveaway again. We got weekly giveaways from next week in cash, guys. Cash. So
I think that'll be weekly every week, guys.
Yeah. That one might be a bit different too. We'll have to think about an idea there. So very excited about our new partnership that's dropping next week as well.
Yeah. And we're talking rent payments, guys. Rent rent payments every
Yeah,
week.
actually
not
a shit ton of
sandwiches.
money. Like a good amount of money. More than what my Google bag was worth, okay?
But it's my mortgage almost twice, bro. So
dude, your mortgage is cheap.
It's coming down, bro. It's coming down.
That's cheaper than my rent, Craig. Holy, bro. What?
Yeah, I think my mortgage at the higher interest rate, not that anyone gives a fuck, but about 750. But I think it'll come down, I think, to about 500-600 eventually with all the rate cuts,
that's like unbeatable. That is literally unbeatable.
It's what happens though when you buy a house for 495,000 and you owe like only 400,000 left on it.
Dude, don't tell me, bro. I'm gonna buy a house for probably triple that. To be honest, it's probably gonna be triple.
You will at the moment.
Oh.
Wait, bro. Wait. You'll get my house for half price in 4 years, I reckon.
Yeah. So Gion says 750 AUD. No, so my rent is 825 AUD a week.
So your rent's more than my mortgage. But keep in mind, guys, Australia's a big fan of I've got to pay water rates. I've got to there's other things as a homeowner.
Internet, blah, 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 insurance. Yeah.
Like I have to have anyway, it's expensive no matter fucking which direction you go. It's almost
so Cud Boy says 2,500, but no, I pay 825 a week is my rent. 825 a week, just to clarify.
It's Aussies. Is that a 3 bedroom, Greeny? 3?
Nah, it's look. I live in a very nice suburb. It's 4-bedroom house. 10 minutes to the beach. So this is one of the bedrooms. So we have two spare bedrooms. We have a backyard and we have a dog. So yeah, it is. We have, but you know the wild thing.
This is where the Google money went, guys.
The wild thing though. Okay, no, I don't think this is expensive. I'm gonna say I was paying $660, Craig, for a 2-bedroom apartment at Indooroopilly in Brisbane, and it was horrific. You were on like a busy road, tiny little place. The spare bedroom was the office, so you couldn't even have a spare bed. And I was paying $660. So here I'm paying $180 more a week for a full house with multiple bedrooms. We have a gym in the garage. We're 10 minutes to the beach. Absolute no-brainer. Absolute no-brainer.
And you can have friends come and stay, or family want to come. They can actually stay in the spare bedroom.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's not like I'll come to my apartment and there's 3 seats in the kitchen. I used to live in apartments. They were fucked, dude. They're fun when you're young. And you're going out and you're at uni and you're getting on it and you're trying to pull girls and you're doing all that stuff that boys do.
Exactly. Yeah, you move, like we were in Brizzy for 12 years or something. So I was like, yeah, it's time to leave. Like if you don't have a job there that you need to stay for, you get out, man. Get out of the city.
I'm not a fan of the city anymore. I remember when I was young, bro, I couldn't wait to move out of my parents' house. As soon as I had 18, bro, I moved to the city. It was an hour down the road. Thought I was mad living in my own place. I still remember, bro, the first time I walked around a supermarket buying my own groceries. I thought I was cool.
Yeah.
I was like, man, I look like a man now. The girls must be looking at me thinking, shit, he's a self-sufficient man. I buy 2-minute noodles and white bread.
Yeah, so good. Oh, dude, some of these comments are hilarious. Polish buddy says 10 minutes to the beach, but Greeny is still white as a ghost.
It's winter, guys.
Yeah,
it's winter.
2 points. It's winter, and I'm also, my mum is Scottish, so I have beautiful like non-tanning skin. Thank you very much. Board actually says it's maybe time for him to move from LA because he's paying 7% mortgage on a $2.5 million loan, and I cry and throw up every month while paying it, bro. That's pretty. I mean,
hang on.
Oh no, Australia's cheaper here. Australia is cheaper now. The rates have gone down in Australia, so yeah.
Oh, what's up, Chan? NFT Lord.
But yeah, it's so funny, man. Like Vibing Cat says it spends $1,000 to go fine dine. I mean, to fine dine in Australia, you can generally pay probably $200-300, which is probably like maybe a little bit more. Like if you fine dine with a couple of people, it's $500. So that's probably like what, maybe 300 US is probably like you can get some pretty nice stuff here.
Get a good steak. A glass of wine.
Yeah.
It depends how much you drink, to be honest. If it's just meals, it's not too bad, actually.
Yeah.
Alcohol's fucking expensive
here. Yeah, alcohol is so expensive here, man.
Like when we were traveling Europe, I don't know what it was like when you were traveling around.
Oh, dude.
So 40 ounce was like $10.
Dude,
I'm going back a decade. But
North. Okay, so I'll tell you a few things. If you go to like somewhere like Poland or even Czech, when we were in Prague, they were actually very reasonable. I think it was like a couple, like maybe €4 for a beer, for a pint. But we went up in the north of England to like, I can't remember exactly where, but north of like Sheffield, I think it was up towards the Dales actually from memory. And it was like, I got a pint of beer for like £2. It was ridiculous, which is $4, okay, in Australia.
Oh,
so $4 for a pint is unheard of. And it was at this like, I can't remember what it's called, but they're like Weatherspoons, I think it is. It's the cheap like place that you go to for beers. I was like, holy shit, man, it's so cheap here compared to Australia.
Yeah, I remember Bali at one place. We went off this little, Thailand. There's a little island where not a lot of people went, and the beers were about 50 to 85 cents.
Yeah. Yeah. Nuts, bro. Nuts.
Good times.
Now I have a meeting in an hour, so we still got time to stream for a while. But guys, to qualify for the giveaway, couple of requirements before we start talking about it. Okay. Before we actually dive deep into Wagyu beef and whatnot.
Yeah, A5 marble Wagyu we're talking about now.
Yeah. I mean,
Fuck, I love
before
Wagyu.
we do this, yeah. But you pay rates to local councils in Australia. Yes, correct. No property tax. If you own the property.
Every tax, man. We pay a tax on a tax on a tax on a tax. In fact,
like 47% tax.
Yeah. By the time you're done earning $1, you owe the government about $1.50 by the end of it, I think, when you
ridiculous.
die.
It is actually ridiculous, yeah. It is actually ridiculous.
Anyway.
We're on. Holy, let's go, chat. Eli, thanks for spreading it around. But 77 on abstract. Let's get it to 100, baby. Let's get it to 100.
Wow.
Let's get it to 100. Share it around, okay? Make sure you click follow if you're on abstract. To everyone watching on Kick, we're back at 22 on Kick. Click sub, click follow. Okay, we're live every day. We give free alpha out every day, guys. And we've been doing this for 2 years. 2 years, okay? We're not slowing down. And next week we'll have free cash for viewers as well. So make sure you join.
When can we officially announce that, Greeny?
I mean, we could maybe do it on Friday. We just need to see if it's up or not. We need to check it and check in with the guys if it's up. If not, we'll do it Monday. If not, Friday.
Cool.
But guys, okay, if you want to qualify for the giveaway, make sure you go click follow on GC Crypto on Twitter, okay? Alternatively, you must also follow the God page. I will ask you to show proof of it before we can claim the giveaway. Now, this is going to be shit. I think I don't even know if I can fit everybody on this. There's going to be a timer. I'm going to have to set a timer.
I was thinking about this last night and having nightmares about how we're doing this, man.
Okay, I'm going to do it. I think, how long, Craig? 3 minutes?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
That's a good amount of time.
3 minutes to qualify.
I have a better idea.
Wait, is that? Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, okay. Mitch makes an interesting point. The only thing you don't pay tax on is gambling.
Yeah, which is dumb. And then you can't even gamble in Australia on these crypto platforms. It's so stupid. Stupid.
It's how interesting is that you pay no tax on gambling? Isn't that?
Yeah, if you knew how to manipulate the system, I have mates that know how to do it.
So do I.
They worked for sports bet and stuff, so they know algos and when to, and like, you know how, like, I used to arbitrage bet back in the day. That's actually how I discovered crypto 10 years ago. It was like arbitrage. Yeah, in a group. And someone's like, hey, check out crypto. I was like, okay. But that was when they had all the promos. So you could cross like platform trade. You have $50 on this, $50 there, and you couldn't lose, sort of thing. They changed that, and then they gave you back bonus bets, and then you could still use algorithms on like a Saturday morning if you wanted to. I never really got into it, but like, it had to have, like, I didn't have the money at the time, but it had to have like you could use Betfair to lay on the same market that you were also betting on the horse to win, for example, and you could lay and bet and essentially you'd farm the bonus bets, and then you could use them to turn over at like a 70% win rate on other things. So you'd walk away with like a couple $1,000s tax-free, but then you worry but then here in Australia, which is like the contrary to that, is if you go to the bank and say, hey, I want to buy a house, they're like, no, you've made like your sports bet, whatever it is just throughout all of your accounts. No chance. So it's so interesting. So interesting.
Yeah, that's true. That's the catch.
All right. So it's going to be 3 minutes. Okay. Now this is going to...
We're going to have to
how am I going to do this, bro? This is going to be nuts.
Probably open up a spreadsheet.
Do you think we should actually do a Twitter post? And then that way it's rather than in chat.
Yeah.
Then it's people not live, but then that's not proof that they're live. Is there any query?
Fuck. That's hard, eh?
Yeah, I know there's a kick bot, guys, but we've got viewers on YouTube, we've got viewers on Abstract, so manually it makes so much more sense for me to do it this way.
I think doing it on X and there just be a 5-minute window.
Yeah, 3-minute window. But then can you? Dude, you can't stop a tweet post, but you could just type out all the names. Nah, what do we think? Do we reckon we want Twitter post? Yeah, people saying Twitter post, Twitter post.
I think that'll be the easiest to copy and paste.
3 minutes, Twitter post. Okay. Yeah. You must comment. And if I don't see your name, okay, if I don't see your name on the Twitter post, so be it. So be it.
It'll get botted. Nah, but
fair play.
We'll go through who the winner is, though. And if they got no followers and all they do is retweet stuff, they're not winning. Put it that way. It's got to be a genuine account that looks human.
Can I lock a Twitter post? I don't think you can lock a Twitter post, can you? Like, can I lock this one? No. I can't lock it. No. Nah, we'll try live. We'll try live. I think live's going to be more authentic.
Okay, done.
What do you think? Okay.
Yep.
Right, I'm going to put up a banner.
Oh, you can lock the comments, apparently.
How? Where?
Go private real quick.
Yeah, you go private on the account. Yeah, okay. And then what? You go edit profile private? How do you make your account private again?
Before you post, it's who can reply.
Oh, I know what you mean. Oh, yeah. So you should be following us by now. I think you're right. So everyone can reply. Oh no. Nah. See, it doesn't work. Accounts you follow. No.
Yeah, it's not.
If it was accounts that already followed us, that would be sick. That would be sick.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. All right, chat. Hey, you should have to post in the live chat. Yeah, I agree. Okay.
Yeah, fuck it. Do it in the live chat. We'll do it the hard way.
All right, we got 82 viewers on Abstract. Thanks for tuning in. Very much appreciate it. And we've got 23 on Kick, and we've got 1,200 in the house. So thanks, guys. All right, yeah, we might in future giveaways, guys. What you need to be doing, yeah, we might give more bonuses to people on Abstract, YouTube, or Kick or something. Yeah, we might do that. But majority of comments today are from Kick and YouTube. So Twitter people, they're elsewhere. I love that. Hey, thank you, guys. Thank you. All right, 3 minutes. I'm stressed about this. I'm stressed. This is the hardest work I've had to do for a long time, guys. All right, I'm going to put up a banner at the bottom. It's going to give you the code. You have to comment that, okay? And it's going to be 3 minutes, okay? Then I'm going to scroll back. Before I do anything at all, I'm going to scroll back, double check that I've got everyone on both platforms, okay? I've got both chats up. And you must spell it correctly. you must say the right thing. And then we'll do the giveaway. Once the giveaway occurs, guys, then what's going to happen is you need to send me or Craig a DM, okay? And what you need to do is on Twitter. You need to send us a DM on Twitter. And then you need to show proof that you follow GC Crypto and that you follow the what do you call it? The God page as well, okay? Mm-hmm. Happy with that? Everyone happy? All right.
Yeah.
I'm kind of stressed, bro. I'm stressed. Okay, wait, where'd my tab go? Now this is hold on, I'm going to play some music.
Yeah, listen to this, guys. This is amazing. Hold on.
Loop track. Okay, shout out to Mitch for sending this through to us. This is the music that we're playing as well.
Greeny's Greeny trades.
The music, the God music. I love it. Hey, it heats up, guys. It heats up, okay?
This is what I play in the morning to get fucking hyped.
All right, code's coming up.
This is ridiculous. Oh, that's good you put it down the phone.
Still waiting for the first entry. Oh, Chianti. Oh my God, this is going to be so hard, bro.
Chianti. How do you say that name? Chianti? Let's go.
3 minutes. Oh, I didn't start the timer, lol.
We're falling apart.
We're falling apart. Hold on.
Dude, my palms are sweating and I can't even win.
I'm going to do abstract after, okay? Oh my God, bro. We're going to get so botted here. This is so dumb.
This is so dumb. This is stupid. Whose idea was this?
Whose idea was this, bro? I can't keep up with these guys.
This song's great. He's just a pup. Start it again.
Yeah, it's on replay.
Yeah, there we go. Look at them coming in.
Oh, bro, I'm so far behind, chat. I'm so far behind. Yeah, you got to keep an eye on the timer. I think we're going to have to go less. We'll stop at 1 minute. We're gonna stop it. It's just gonna be 2 minutes. Okay, too many people.
The stream stopped. No, the stream's got stopped. Fucking hell, look at it pump.
How many viewers have we got right now? Oh, you can't tell.
I can't tell. No.
I'm gonna do abstract after. Okay, don't double entry me. Dirty dogs.
I've got one in abstract. Only one.
What, you've got one viewer on abstract? What?
No, just one person who typed it.
Oh, who's that? Okay.
Corgi, Sophie Corgi. Oh, no,
Craig,
another one.
40 seconds.
Sophisticated Corgi. Sorry, not Sophie Corgi. Sorry, bro.
Dude, how many? Again, guys, if we give it away and it's someone that doesn't follow the accounts or can even DM us on Twitter, don't bother entering.
No, in fact.
And so you commented twice. That could be a red flag.
Commented twice.
Craig, we're at 15 seconds.
I'm stressed. I'm so stressed, Greeny.
Okay, you need to track whoever the last comment is, okay?
Okay, got ya.
Okay, ready? Okay, who's the last comment? Oh my god, bro. Okay, it's Greenfield's the last comment. Greenfield's the last comment. Okay,
no comments, guys. Stop.
Abstract and Babolo OGs. How do I slow down my chat?
Oh no, they won't stop.
Okay, now we're good. Okay.
It's just a pup.
Okay.
Shit, I'm actually nervous, man. My palms are sweating.
Oh wait, who was last? Who was last on
Greenfield.
Greenfield. Where's Greenfield?
Actually, you know what? Fuck it. Make it Rocky. He's in GTG. Rocky was just after him.
Yeah, okay, Rocky. All right.
Shout out GTG. Rocky, you're in there.
Greenfield.
What are we supposed to do once we send it? Just kick back and enjoy the ride.
Hayden.
While Greeny enters 1,000 names.
Polish. I think I already put Euphoria on here.
Are you putting it on a wheel?
Yeah. This wheel is going to be so busy, bro.
Oh, hang on. I've got a few more to send to you as well.
So, Nick.
Okay, no more, guys.
On X. Shout out for the song.
Shout out God. Thanks for the giveaway. This is all from them, by the way. So, thank you very much.
23 moons. Euphoria. I think I already got you, bro. Or maybe not. Yeah, I already have. Dude, if I see multiple comments, I'm gonna kick you off the leader. Ezzy.
You. $500, eh?
Shani B.
It's fucking
Alex. On X. Okay.
500 people.
I've got everyone on that chat's done. Okay, everyone's on that chat's done. Now I've got to go. Who did I say last on abstract?
Abstract.
Oh, it was Ralph, wasn't it? I think I said it was Ralph, wasn't it? Yeah, don't worry. If I see multiple comments, I'm gonna kick people off. I'm generally, if you've cross-pollinated me, yeah. So I'm pretty sure it was Ralph.
People are dobbing on other people. Euphoria sent it 5 or 6 times.
Yeah, bro. If I see Euphoria on abstract, you're gone, bro. You're gone.
Shit, that's funny.
Okay. Oh, dude, hold on. This is so much harder to do over there. Okay. Can I like time? No, you can't. Dude, there's so many people on this, Craig. This is nuts, bro.
How's your abstract comments? Are they blowing up?
It's so busy. I've got 88 people on there. Okay, so you've got a few people. So you got Boxer. I'll do your people now.
Yeah, get those in.
Boxer.
Alak. 8 people watching me on abstract.
Alak. Rolls.
He never gives up.
Atsura. Sophisticated Corgi, welcome, legend, welcome. You've been a long-term video. Yeah,
when are they going to let us change our banners on abstract, man? Fuck.
Yeah, when can we personalize some stuff?
Man, come on.
All right, now I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, so I'm up to Ralph. Okay.
That sound is so.
Nona, Cutie.
How dare you, Bon also insult the song like that?
AZ, Eyes.
This is Celine Dion's new song.
OXFA21 add OWO.
I feel like I'm at a graduation.
Yeah. What did we say earlier? This kind of like reminds me of Titanic in a way.
Yeah. My love will go on.
Blue OG Loon OLE.
Fly, Jack, fly. No, Fly Rose. That's right.
Wait, who's? Yeah, if I see your name twice, you're off the list. So A22, you've commented twice. Jigs, you commented twice. You're off. Sorry, bro. I gotta be ruthless. Bablo, you're gone. You've commented way too many times. All right, Lueni, or that's 2 comments. Now 3 comments. Lueni, you're gone.
Greeny's the school teacher.
You gotta be a Lemon Ghost.
Yeah.
Who?
Fair. No mercy.
Okay, again, it's so hard when someone has a wallet, but UXAC48. Alright, AZIZZ, you commented too many times, you kicked off.
Yo, what's up? No.
Ralph, you commented 2 times, bro, you kicked off. You commented like 4 times. Sorry, bro, you're gone.
Chop.
Wait, where's Ralph? Atsura, you commented too many times, you're gone. Pac-Man Zero, welcome.
Gonna do yoga now with Mitch's music. I'm gonna do some breathing exercises to this later.
I know, bro. I know.
Was that?
Elmo Ghost. Polish. I think I've already got you, bro. That's 2 comments, you're gone, bro.
This music's prideful. Yeah, it is. It's who won, which we're trying to find out at the moment.
I'm still entering everyone's name. Hold on, I'll bring it up on stream.
Feel like Craig's trying to touch me virtually with these tunes.
Okay, there we go.
I'm already inside you, man.
Oh my gosh.
Hopefully our names are on there, Greeny. Imagine that, hey, Greeny wins, yay!
Spencer.east, bro, you commented like 4 times, you're gone. Again, if I miss your name, I apologize.
Tess is just going to town with the name, eh? Doesn't give a fuck. I like the
Dude, this is gonna be crazy, bro. Funnest stream we've done for a while. Oh my gosh, that's a double comment. You're gone, bro. You're gone.
Nixon said he's heading to a cottage tomorrow with 18 of his boys and he's going to bump the song where everyone's on shrooms.
Pad, that's 4 comments, bro. You're gone. Even though you're a GTG member, Pad, you're gone.
Yeah, that'll be heavy on shrooms, man. Be careful. You might start crying.
Who are you talking to right now?
Someone in my abstract, Nixon, actually, who's a long-time follower. Nixon's going with 18 of the boys to a cottage tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, Mitch, you should have sent us a happy hardcore remix, bro. That would have been good.
Yeah, that would have been good. We could, yeah, big heavy drum and bass.
Am I going to get demonetized for this or not? I didn't even think about that.
Skrillex?
I actually listened to some Skrillex songs yesterday. Okay, I'm nearly done, guys. Nearly done. Brazuka, this is going to take ever. Yeah, I got a meeting in 40 minutes. We got time.
I'm not going to get the song out of my bloody head. Oh my God.
All right, if you guys see anyone with multiple names, please let Craig know in the chats, okay?
Yeah, dob them. We call it dobbing.
Dob them in.
Roll on them. Dob on the dogs. And everyone, buy a little bit of dog while you're at it, man.
Yeah, buy a dog while you're doing it, guys. It's
just $2, $5, whatever you can. Milk money. Oh, thank God, a bit of silence.
Do you want me to turn it off?
Yeah, maybe, I think.
All right.
It is relaxing. It's just
it is relaxing.
I'm quite an auditory person. I get affected quite easily.
Okay.
Also, and hey, again, shout out to Dog. They actually reached out to me. Mitch reached out to me when I said, "Hey guys, we'll do giveaways, whatever." And we are quite selective who we give away, we don't want to shill real shit. But shout out to God who reached out, mentioned. I said, "Oh, how much you want to give away, bro?" And he said 500. I was like, "Fuck."
That's big, bro.
I was like, "That's quite a lot, bro." I was like, "Thank you, that's very generous." I thought it was going to be 50 or 100. So, it's putting me to bed. Yeah, it's the start of my day. So unfortunately, I can't. Fuck, I've got a big day ahead, like Greeny. I'm sure. I'm like, oh my God. When are we going to sleep, Greeny? When do we get to sleep?
I don't know, bro.
27?
Yeah, maybe. Vodka, water, lime. Oh my God, there's dude. Okay, vodka, lime. Nixon.
Nixon should be on there. Nixon's here God's going, man. Someone just 432. God bless your cotton socks. Are you new?
Boxer, you commented twice. You're gone, bro. You're gone.
You are new.
You're gone, bro. Have to be ruthless. Pat, you commented like 10 times, bro. Come on, you're better than that. You're better.
I'm really not. All
right, Garrett. Yeah, Jax. NFT star. I feel like I've got you on my list as well already. Yeah, you're gone. The multiple comments. Sorry, bro. You're gone. Apex, haven't got you. Okay. We should have done like 30 seconds, Craig. God damn it, bro.
Yeah.
Magic Mo. IFAZ, whatever that is. Bogey. Kaiser. Windsor, the Boxer. Again, if I misspell your name, I apologize. I'm typing out a ridiculous amount of names.
Actually, I got one more for you, Greeny. Sorry, I missed it.
Darcy T14.
Got you, Sven.
Dude, am I done yet?
No, I'll give you one more.
Taco. Antoine. C. Willie.
Seed Willie, wow.
Gion. Cutboy.
Rizuka.
Ribby. Wakara's final abstract. Okay. I'm up. Okay, and then I'll get your one. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, well, last person, Sven. No, Sven already commented on mine as well. Oh, is that a double, Craig? Is that a comment? Is that a double?
I don't see my name there. Oh, God.
All right, here we go. I don't even know how many people are in this, Craig, but we're going to shuffle it a few times.
Guys, that was pretty epic. That was quite a nightmare. We might have to refine this process, but
go click follow. Go click follow, guys. Go click follow.
Once again, make sure you're following. If we find the winner doesn't follow anything and they look like a bot.
Yeah. Now, to qualify again, you must DM me straight away on Twitter. Okay, so it's just Greeny Trades. Here we go. Here's my profile. Wait, where am I?
I missed the song already.
I missed the song. I mean, yeah, we'll do it again. Hold on, we'll do it.
Yeah, when we spin, we should.
All right, we're gonna spin in a minute.
God,
okay, here's my. Go click follow. Make sure you send me a DM straight away. Okay, go follow me. DM me straight away. Okay. Once you win, of proof you following GC Crypto, proof of you following God, and then we'll do it. Okay. Hold on, let me get rid of. I should get rid of the caption, bro. Are people still commenting? Yeah, we put in. Yeah, I did the kick comments. Yes, I did the kick comments first. But you guys cut off. You guys were too late.
Bring back POAPs. Yeah, we should bring up POAPs.
The kick people were from the start, bro. You were too late. Okay, people are saying that I don't have it, but you were too late. The cutoff was wet. All right. Are there some of these people that came through like right at the cutoff? I'll be generous.
I was there before Greenfield. Okay, fair enough. You remember the name.
All right, I'm gonna add a couple more. Stone Fox, I've seen you before on our stream, so you can. The Mizua, Silent Waltz, Nerfies. I think I had you though. Yeah, I've got you.
He's just a pub.
Crypto Pricey. Roast 69. Yes.
Jesus, I'm going to need to sleep after this. I'm exhausted. I don't know how you're doing it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, done. All right, I've got it. Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
All right, guys, this is big. Oh, there's 100 people. There's 100 people right on the dot. Dude, that's special. That's
Get
special.
Excited. We're giving away.
Good luck, everyone. Okay, everyone click follow. Everyone needs to go click follow right now on all our socials. Greeny Trades, Greg's Coin Purse, GC Crypto. Follow us on Abstract. Follow us on Kick. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us everywhere, guys. We're doing this every single week. You want to be making sure you're tuning in. We give alpha. We give education. But now we're giving cash. Now we're giving cash. Cash.
Even if you can't trade, we're giving away money now. So now
dude, it's ridiculous. Yeah, you're getting free money, guys. Free money. So yeah, lots of love in the chat. We've got 83 people live on Abstract. Thank you so much for tuning in. Banging show. Banging show. So GG's. 1,600 people in the house. 22 people on Kick. Thank you all for your support. If you're on Kick, guys, click the sub. It supports us. We very much appreciate it. And we're live every day. So get this alpha every day, guys. Get this alpha every day. What is the name of this song? It is the Dyslexic Dog song, okay? Dude, it's pouring now again, Greg. It's busy times. All right, here we go.
All right, go time.
So Eli didn't comment, so lol. Didn't want that extra $500, Eli. 6-figure Eli.
He's rich enough. He's good enough.
Okay, here we go. Again, you got to okay. Rules. You need to DM me. I'm looking here. You need to DM me. You need to DM me within 2 minutes.
Wow.
Otherwise, it's gone. We'll do someone else.
Yeah.
2 minutes. 2 minutes, okay? Ready? All right, here we go. 3. Oh, wait, the song. 2, 1. Let's go.
Let's go.
There's going to be 100 people in there. It's a 1 in 100 chance.
Let's fucking go.
See Willie.
See Willie.
I think see Willie. I have seen you on Abstract before. Show me proof of, okay. Send me a DM. 2 minutes. So yeah, 10:32. Okay, so 2 minutes. You've got. Send me a DM on Twitter showing that you follow GC Crypto, following God, and prove that you obviously are see Willie on Abstract. Screenshot your Abstract, please. Thank you. See Willie, you still here? I mean, it's good that it went to someone at least. Okay, he's got 2 minutes. I haven't seen him comment yet. Okay, I'm checking my DMs.
He might have gone.
See Willie? Okay, he's already sent me a DM.
Hey there! See Willie.
Following. Okay, I can't leak my DMs though, but okay, I'll show proof. Hold on. Oh wait. Okay, hold on. Okay, is this gonna leak my DMs? No, here we go. Yeah, anyways, see Willie, legend, here he is. Okay, follow me. Follow God. Okay. Show me that you follow, or show me that you're the see Willie on Abstract. Go to your profile and screenshot, please, and say it must say you. But I assume it's you. You've got the same name and everything. Yeah. So, and you're followed by Abstract, so I assume it's you. So there we go, chat. See Willie, legend. There we go. Big W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
Well done. I can't think of a better name to win than See Willie.
W's in the chat. See Willie. Let's go. Hey, it's nice that it went to someone who I have seen on our streams before. That's the big pleasure. So See Willie, can you DM me your wallet, and then Craig will sort out the 500 of God, legend, and we'll post that on our socials so everyone knows it's legit. But yeah, thank you to everyone who's been involved. We got huge respect for all of you guys for tuning in. We can probably turn the music off. But yeah, that was so much fun. But yeah, massive shout out to See Willie. Send me your wallet, please. That would be fantastic. Please do that straight away. But yeah, he's in the chat. Love that, guys. If you're new here, go click follow on all of our socials, please. It helps us go a long way, and we've been doing this for a long time. Okay, send me his wallet. Okay. Legend. All right, here we go. Thanks for your support too. Okay, Craig, I sent it to you in private chat if you want to sort out that.
Thank you. I will do.
How is it the boy is sending him God? Is that correct?
Yeah, they'll send it directly, I'm guessing, or they'll maybe send it to me. Either way, we'll get it to you today. Mitch is probably.
Yeah, I mean, Mitch is probably watching. He was watching before, so yeah, massive. Yeah, huge shout out to See Willie. Legend, congrats. Okay, I'll just reply so it's in my recents. All right, mate, huge show. We can still talk for a little bit longer if you wanted to. Abstract viewership is just declining. Everyone's leaving. This is what I mean. You don't do a giveaway at the start of the show. You do it at the end of the show. No, you do it mid-show, okay? So no one knows. No one knows. We're down 10% already on the abstract. Come on, guys. This is pretty ridiculous, isn't it? Go click follow. Okay. If you want cash next week, we're gonna do different. We need to think. Hey, I like mind games. I'm a big thriller guy. We're gonna make it manipulative, I think. Well, not manipulative. We're gonna make it a little bit more complicated in the future.
So that's definitely the winner's wallet, Greeny?
That is, let me check. I'll go check myself now as well. All right, I'm on his profile now. I'll just double check it's the same wallet. OX DF BEDD 50. Yep, that's his wallet.
D50 ends in?
Yep.
Done.
Yep. Legend.
Right. Sent that to Mitch, so that is away with the team now.
Amazing. They're going back to Seoul. They're going back to Seoul.
They're going back to Seoul. Good luck. Yeah. Good luck.
So good. Greeny, look at PRQT. Is it pumping, boys? Is it pumping?
What's PRQT?
It's one that I shared in GTG this morning, around this level here, around 660, I think it was. So, I don't mind this. These guys are building out what seems to be a cool kind of AI product, something a bit different. So I like the chart, a little bit lower. So I took a little pun on this, not much. I bought a little bit this morning. Let me share the chart. But this is big breakout. We got in about 660. So before the breakout, I think this one could be $1 million if they keep pumping out their work and they get support as well. But it's nice to have some different sort of utility at the moment. So check out RTR. I haven't seen that one, so I'm not going to put it up on screen. But yeah, shout out to everyone in GTG. Thank you so much. Kind of unfair. No list from Twitter chats. Ray, I put everyone on from Twitter. You just missed the cutoff. Legend, you missed the cutoff, okay? Missed the cutoff, bro. Missed the cutoff. My apologies. I said, hey, it's got to be ruthless. God looks good here. Looks like it'll go high. And it looks like C. Willie already holds some God, so he's not going to just go dump it into the charts, which I love. So shout out to C. Willie. I'm actually happy it goes to someone that I've seen before on the chain and all that sort of stuff. So that's good.
Yeah, that is cool. That is good.
It's so funny, man. You do a giveaway and everyone's like, oh, it's unfair because I didn't win, bro. That's just life.
Yeah. There'll be more though, guys. There'll be plenty more where that comes from. So yeah, it's not the first. Well, it's one of the first, but it won't be the last. That's for sure. So
I'm down 25 viewers. I'm down 25 viewers in minutes.
Yeah, plummeting, eh? Plummeting.
Bro. Come for the free money. Stay for the alpha is what I like to say. Okay, that's what I like to say. Cool. Anything else we want to discuss? Markets steady here. Markets steady. We haven't touched on NFTs, Craig. Moonbird's back to 3.8. Shared them at GTG at 3.2 yesterday. No brainer at that level.
Yep, they're pumping.
They're up $3,500 since yesterday. $3,500 because ETH is back up too, dude.
Yeah, 16.5 grand on one of those. Pudgy Penguins back up to slightly up 1%, 55k.
Yeah.
Little Pudgy 6.5k for those who want to know it in USD. What else is moving real nice? Moonbird Mythics up to 1,800. Project Aeon 20%.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like NFTs are starting to move again, which is nice. But it could just be the ETH appreciation. But
yeah. No, so NFTs looking good. Pudgy Penguins, Moonbirds, definitely the ones that you want to be looking at, in my opinion. That God's already worth $510. Lol. It's already inflated. It's already inflated because the market's pumping.
That's right.
So I love it. No, big stream, guys. I do have a stream later with Bybit, actually. So if you want to do a trading comp, bit of a trading comp. So check us out if you want to stream. I'll be streaming with them later. I don't know how that works, to be honest. I'll just be jumping on. But yeah, God looks bloody good here. New all-time highs as we speak, 8.55 million. So 10 million on the cards in the coming days, maybe.
Looking good.
Thanks for tuning in. Very much appreciate it. Cool. Anything else, Craig? Congrats to C. Willie. C. Willie.
No, shout out again to God for the giveaway. Yeah, shout out to C. Willie for the win. And I think we're ready to wrap it up. We'll kick off again tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Going to give some thanks, I think. Once again, thanks to channel partner OKX Australia, who are bloody legends. Thank you for supporting GC Crypto, our stream We stream pretty much daily, 5 days a week. If you're looking for somewhere to spot trade, guys, go and check them out. Whether you're new or old, there's something there for you. As always, links in the description. If you have any questions, how to use the platform or just anything really, fire away to Greeny or myself. And once again, viewers, thanks for tuning in. There was a shitload of you guys, so thanks for pulling up. Thanks for all your comments. There were bloody thousands. So once again, been a privilege to talk to you guys. And we will catch you again 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our final stream of the week. So pull up and yeah. And also 75K free when you sign up with OKX. So make sure you jump on there and give it a whirl. That's very generous of them. One of the highest I've heard. And that's a wrap, brother. We'll see you tomorrow, Greeny. See you, everyone.
Sounds good, guys. Thanks, chat, for all the donos. Thanks so much for tuning in. And congrats to C. Willie for winning. And as Craig said, check out GTG and check out OKX, our proud sponsor. And we're so excited to partner with them. Have a lovely Thursday, everybody, or Wednesday if you're around the rest of the world. And we'll see you all tomorrow. Craig, enjoy your day, mate. Enjoy.
You too. See you, Greeny.
Thanks, guys.